Alright class, let's go to the next topic, logarithm differentiation. Look at the laws of logarithm for functions. Okay, in your notes, look at number 1, ln fx times gx. Okay, so you need to separate. When it's multiply, you need to separate fx and gx. It will become ln fx. When it's multiply, it should be plus ln gx. Okay, so number 2, ln fx divided by gx. So you need to separate fx and gx. It will become ln fx minus ln gx. Okay, when it's divide, it will be minus. Okay, when it's multiply, it will be plus. Alright, so look at number 3, ln fx power n. So the power n you need to bring in front. Okay, n times ln fx. Okay, ln fx power n it is equal, the power n you need to bring in front, n times ln fx. Alright, so this is the law of logarithm differentiation, the basic law. Okay, so look at the example 1.15, how to differentiate using the law of logarithm. Okay, this topic we just go through saja. Okay, so I'm going to show you only one example. Okay, look at A. Y equals to ln 2x plus 1 square root 5x. Okay, so to differentiate using the law of logarithm, you need to put ln for both sides. Okay, to put ln of both sides. So it should be ln y, it is equal ln 2x plus 1 square root 5x. Or you can change from the square root become 1 over 2. Okay, it is make it easier for you to calculate. Okay, and then okay, from this question we need to differentiate dy over dx. We need to find dy over dx, okay, using the law of logarithm. So you need to differentiate both sides. Okay, so differentiate ln y, it will become 1 over y. When you differentiate the variable y, you need to add dy over dx. Okay, dy over dx. And then this one, how to differentiate? As you can see, this is multiplication. Okay, 2x plus 1 square times 5x square root. Okay, square root 5x. So you need to split up. Okay, use rule number 1. Okay, the law of number 1. Ln 2x plus 1 square plus ln 5x power 1 over 2. Okay, you need to separate. Okay, and then 1 over y dy over dx, it is equal. Okay, this one has power, this one also has a power. So you need to use the law of number 3. Okay, buangkan power dulu. That means you need to bring in front. Okay, the power 2 and 1 over 2 you need to bring in front. Okay, use law number 3. That means 2 ln 2x plus 1 plus 1 over 2 bring in front ln 5x. Okay, kenapa buat macam ni? Supaya make it easier for you to differentiate. Okay, differentiate without power, without use the power. Okay, and then 1 over y dy over dx, it is equal to 2 is a constant. Okay, so asingkan siap-siap, and then barulah awak boleh differentiate with respect to x, the ln 2x plus 1. This one also. Okay, 1 over 2 is a constant number, so asingkan siap-siap and then differentiate. with respect to x with ln 5x. Okay, boleh faham dah setakat ni? And then 1 over y dy over dx. And then barulah awak boleh differentiate yang dalam ni, ln ni. Okay, so 2 differentiate ln 2x. How did you get? Y equals to ln x. Differentiate ln x, it will become 1 over x. Okay, so what about this one? Differentiate ln x plus 1. For example, ln x plus 1. Okay, so it will become 1 over x plus 1. And then differentiate dalam ni. Okay, first kali awak differentiate ln. Differentiate ln x plus 1, you get 1 over x plus 1. And then the second one, you need to differentiate yang dalam bracket ni. Okay, so differentiate x, you get 1. So the answer is 1 over x plus 1. So what about this one? Differentiate ln 2x plus 1, it will become 1 over 2x plus 1. Okay, and then this is concept multiplication. Okay, and then you need to differentiate yang dalam ni. Okay, yang duduk dalam bracket ni. So differentiate 2x, you get 2. Okay, differentiate 1, you get 0. Okay, so no need to put 0. Okay, and then plus 1 over 2. So differentiate ln 5x, you will get 1 over 5x. And then differentiate yang dalam bracket ni. Differentiate 5x, you get 5. Okay, boleh nampak dah. And then 2 times 2, you get 4. 4 over 2x plus 1. This one awak kena kekalkan dia lagi. Sentiasa tulis. Okay, and then this one plus 5, you can cancel out. So the rest is 2 times x, you get 2x. So 1 over 2x. Okay, and then what? The next one, you need to samakan pembawah ni. Okay, the denominator. Okay, samakan pembawah ni. Okay, that means darab dengan 2x plus 1. Atas pun darab dengan 2x plus 1. This one also, nak samakan pembawah, kena darab dengan 2x. Okay, darab dengan 2x. So this one darab 2x, this one darab 2x. Okay, samakan pembawah. Okay, then it will become 1 over y dy over dx. It is equal. Okay, bila dah samakan pembawah tu, dia 4 times 2x, it will become 8x. Okay, and then 2x plus 1 times 1, still the same, 2x plus 1. So 8x plus 2x plus 1 divided by, okay, yang ni awak darab ni, 2x times dengan 2x plus 1. So it will become 2x plus 1. No need to expand. Okay, no need to expand. Okay, and then 1 over y. This is division. Okay, divide. When you move it to the right side, it will become multiply. So dy over dx. Okay, because we need dy dx. We need to find dy dx. So 1 over y, it should move to the right side. Okay, so when it's divide, move to the right side, it will become multiply. So y times 8x plus 2x, it will be 10x plus 1 divided by 2x times 2x plus 1. Okay, and then we know that y, it is equal. Okay, look at the question. Y, it is equal 2x plus 1 square, square root 5x, and then replace that y. Okay, replace it. So y, it is equal 2x plus 1 square, square root 5x, and then times 10x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. So this is the answer. Okay, you faham now? This is concept law of logarithm. To differentiate, okay? To differentiate using law of logarithm. Okay, tak faham boleh tanya dalam WhatsApp, okay? But this one we just go through saja. Okay,